So we have that core there. Oh, it's quite like an iceberg, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello everybody, we have this beautiful patient here that has we actually think it's a corn, but I think there might be something inside. It's quite swollen, isn't it, Lily?
It is quite swollen.
So tell us what happened.
I think I stepped in some glass.
Yeah.
And I think I got some of it out by myself, so I let it sit for a while,
Yes.
and it's since been bothering me. And it's quite tender when I walk, so that's where I came in.
Fantastic. So what we're going to do is we're going to debride it, we're going to enucleate it, like kind of just scoop it out. And then what we're going to do is, because it's on an awkward position. And then once it's out, we're also going to just ask Joseph, our consultant, just to do an ultrasound scan because it is a bit swollen, just to make sure that there's nothing inside. Sometimes the body reacts with a foreign body by causing swelling, and also you can develop some scar tissue. But it's really, really good. Okay, it's just going to... So we have that core there. Oh, it's quite like an iceberg, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really deep. It's really deep, isn't it?
You're feeling okay there?
I see pink, that's good. That's the base of it. Yeah, definitely ultrasound's going on in there. Okay.
Yeah.
Just using a drill. Don't make too much. water. And then another top up debridement and then we're done. I'm very picky, so I just want to make sure everything's clear. We'll dress it. Okay, fantastic. All done. Thank you.